Good afternoon, my name is Harry with Starting Skoda. Just doing a quick walk around video of this gorgeous velvet red Fabia 1 litre colour edition. It is a manual, and as you can see, it's a gorgeous vehicle. Straight away you'll notice you have your colour edition alloys down there. Again, very nice with the black and the graphite grey. No scuff, scratches, anything like that on there. And this video is just to give you a quick walk around of the outside of the vehicle. We're going to have a look at the boot, look at the rear seats, and then look at the front seats as well, and potentially talk through some gadgets that this gorgeous vehicle has. As you can see, it's a 2023 plate and in really good condition as well. Moving on to the boot of the vehicle, straight away you can see it's got a big boot for the size of the car with a storage that side and a strap on this side, as well as hooks either side. This vehicle comes with a reversible floor mat, one of them being carpet, the other one being rubber. And if we lift up the floor, you can see you have your puncture repair kit down there with your lock and wheel nut as well. And again, just a really big boot for the size of the vehicle. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle, you can see the door carts. Really good condition. No scuffs, scratches or scrapes, anything like that on there at all. Really good condition. And as you go around to the seats, you can see the seats are in really good condition. No wear and tear on those at all. And again, this vehicle has the rubber floor mats. And again, just overall really good condition. Moving on to the front of the vehicle, straight away you have your Skoda umbrella just down there with obviously the Skoda emblem on the end, as well as heated wing mirrors just there. Moving on to the actual interior of the vehicle, you have slightly bucketed front seat, again with that white stitching in the centre and the black outline. It does have a manual handbrake, as well as it being a manual itself. It is manual 5-speed. And then again, your passenger seat, no wear and tear on either of them, in very good condition. As you pan around, you'll see your massive infotainment system just there in the centre, and then underneath your manual aircon unit as well. And again, the whole car is in really good condition. Moving on to the actual interior, this is your infotainment system just there with your drive assist. You do have access to Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto via the USB-C links just down there. And you have your full digital cockpit just there as well, which can be set to display revs per minute, miles per gallon, your general speed, and again your fuel level on one side and your vehicle temperature on the other. On this little indicator knob just here, you'll see this top piece. That is for your cruise control, as well as these two buttons here on the side to control it. As you move back, you'll see that you have a multi-function steering wheel, voice activation, volume control and song control on this side, while having your assist button over this side with your virtual cockpit controls just there as well. So that was just a really quick video of the Fabia Colour Edition, the 1 litre manual. If you have any further questions, please let me know. The mobile number for us is 01905 830 361. And if you have any further questions and you want to talk to me personally, my name is Harry Smith and my email address is harry.smith@startinggroup.co.uk.